This is PAI's high-performance auxiliary countershaft assembly, manufactured for Fuller 13610, 14610, and 15610 series transmissions. The PAI number for this high-performance auxiliary countershaft assembly is EF59170HP and is a direct replacement for OEM number A-6387. The three high-performance gears on this countershaft have a tooth count of 51, 45, and 19 respectively, and are milled from a high-grade alloy steel for added strength and undergo a special heat treatment. The teeth on these gears are treated with precision ground tooth finish, which improves the efficiency and lifespan of the gear. Our gears undergo rigorous post-production testing, including our 100% noise test, which ensures top-notch quality. All PAI high-performance parts come equipped with a 3-year unlimited mileage warranty.
PAI, world tested, performance proven.